Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study about the uses of air. In the previous video, we have studied about air, its structure, what all gases are there, what are the characteristics of air. Now, we will discuss the uses of air. The first and the foremost use of air is used for breathing. Breathing is a process in which we take the oxygen gas and give out carbon dioxide gas. Although different organisms have different organs for breathing, like humans use lungs for breathing, fish use gills, earthworm use moist skin. But this oxygen, when it is taken inside our body, then with the help of blood, it carries to all the cells of our body, and there it is used for burning the food to provide energy. Nextly, air is used for the process of photosynthesis. When we discuss the structure of leaf, at that point of time, I have told you what is photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their food. So, for photosynthesis to occur, plants require carbon dioxide gas, and this gas is obtained from the plant, from the atmosphere or the air. Now, nextly, air is also used for burning. I'll tell you a simple experiment you can do at your home. Light a candle and then place an inverted glass or a tumbler over it. What will you observe? For some time, the candle will burn. But after that, it will extinguish. Why it will extinguish? Because it is not getting air from the surroundings. When we are putting an inverted tumbler over the candle, then air cannot reach the burning candle, and whatever air was there in the glass, it was used up. Whatever oxygen was there in the glass tumbler, it was used for burning. Nextly, air carries various information like sound. For example, if I clap my hand and there is vacuum, there is no air.
Start.
When we clap our hands, then the sound is carried by the air. If we are in vacuum, you will not be able to hear me. Hear my sound also and my clap also. Secondly, the warmth of the sun is carried by the air. The smell of the flowers, the smell of delicious cake that your mother makes, everything requires air. Now, nextly, it helps in the seed dispersal. There are various very light seeds which are carried by the air to different places, and then these plants grow at different areas. Nextly, it is also required for windmills. When the air blows, then the blade of the windmills rotate, which helps in producing electricity and for grinding grains. Apart from all this, the sports like kite flying also require air. If there is no air, you will not be able to fly kites. And filling up of balloons and footballs, we require air. If air were not there, you won't be able to play football. Now, next topic that I am discussing is air pollution. First of all, we need to know what is pollution. So, the dirtying or the spoiling of the air by human activities is called as pollution. And the substances which are making the air dirty, they are called as pollutant. For example, if I am mixing smoke in the air, then the air becomes dirty. So, smoke is the pollutant. And world's largest health risk is air pollution. Air pollution can be caused by natural sources or by human activities. Natural sources include volcanic eruptions, forest fires, dust storms. We don't have control over these, but at least we can control our human activities like smoke from the industries, from the vehicles, by burning of wood, fossil fuel like coal and petrol, deforestation. Deforestations mean cutting down of trees. Now, human beings, for their greed, they are cutting down forest for making a number of things. But they don't understand that plants are very essential for maintaining the balance of oxygen. Because we see we all are breathing, but oxygen is not coming to an end. The reason is we are using the oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is used by the plant for the process of photosynthesis, and in turn they are giving us oxygen. Nextly is bursting crackers that you all do during Diwali. It also causes lots of air pollution. Now, the diseases which are caused by air pollution, there are various diseases which are caused by air pollution like asthma, bronchitis, skin diseases, eye irritation. Now, we have to do something to control the air pollution. Firstly is afforestation. Afforestation is opposite of deforestation. I have told you deforestation means cutting down of trees. In afforestation, we have to grow trees. Now you must have seen that we are celebrating a number of festivals like Van Mahotsav, where the government is giving free saplings to be planted so that the green cover increases and oxygen increases. Nextly is using of CNG in vehicles. CNG is compressed natural gas. Apart from this, we can use carpools. What is carpool? Suppose if I and 4 other people have to go at the same place. So instead of taking 5 cars, we can take a single car and we all can go in a single car. If we are doing so, less fuel will be burned and less pollution will be caused. Apart from this, if you have to go to a small distance, you can walk or you can ride a bicycle. Nextly is not burning garbage and dry leaves. We should not burn it because if we burn garbage or dry leaves, then it will cause smoke and various gases will be released. So what to do with this? If the things are biodegradable, we should make a pit and put all the dry leaves, banana peels, kitchen waste into it and then cover it with the soil. After some days, this all waste will be converted into manure, which you can use for your plants. Nextly is shifting of factories away from the residential areas. Residential areas are the areas where we all live. Nextly, we should use metalled road. Metalled roads are pakka roads. You must have heard about kacha roads and pakka roads in your previous classes. So when we are using metal roads, that is pakka roads, then the dust is not coming. So it helps in reducing the air pollution. Thank you.